So, Andrew, what did the Joe Biden say to the bump stock?
I don't know, Duane.
Neither does he.
Come on, man.
I'm Duane Urban, and welcome to the Urban Defense Podcast, featuring discussion on firearms, concealed carry, self-defense, the law, and much more. Designed to inform, educate, and increase your survival in a critical incident. With your hosts, Duane Urban and Andrew Saller. Welcome to the Urban Defense Podcast. I'm Duane Urban, along with attorney Andrew Saller, managing partner at Saller, Lord, Ernstberger, and Inslee. And in today's bonus episode, we're going to be talking about the Supreme Court bump stock ruling. Andrew, something has happened today. What was it?
6-3, the Supreme Court said that the ATF ban on bump stocks was unconstitutional and an excessive overreach. In a 6-3 decision, Thomas, the Chief Justice Roberts, Alito, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, and Barrett versus Jackson, Kagan, and Sotomayor.
Surprise there.
Shocking.
Yes.
That on the federal level, the ATF's decision to classify bump stocks as machine guns was improper and exceeded the scope of their authority.
If you read the letter of the law, it really didn't meet it to begin with.
Absolutely. It, at the end of the day, does not a machine gun make.
So what does this mean for our listeners and the people across the country that may own these things or be thinking about owning these things?
In Maryland, unfortunately, our listeners, we are still losers. In 2018, Maryland banned bump stocks. That law is still in effect. Attorney General Brown has already put out a press release. They fully intend to continue to enforce the ban here in Maryland.
So if it's found unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, how does the Maryland law stand, or does it now need to be challenged by some sort of plaintiff?
You would have to challenge the Maryland law. The federal case dealt solely with the ATF's decision to ban bump stocks.
So we would need a Maryland plaintiff, and then that case would have to rise through the appeal system to eventually be ruled upon.
Absolutely.
Andrew, final thoughts.
Great day for the Second Amendment in the United States of America. In Maryland, we still are struggling to find the Second Amendment.
Is it possible that this Maryland law could be challenged and overturned?
It could certainly be challenged in the federal court system.
So you're saying there's a chance?
Yes.
With that said, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. And please remember to comment, share, like, and most importantly, subscribe. It only takes a second and it really helps us out. If you're interested in our firearms training program, a link can be found in the description box. So for the Urban Defense Podcast, I'm Duane Urban, along with Andrew Saller. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, knowledge is mental ammunition, and train, fight, and win.